You are the full package. You have whatever it takes to get to the top. For some reason or the other, you have either talked yourself out of a goal that you wanted to achieve, telling yourself that this goal was far too big, you wouldn't be able to do it. Or maybe you were surrounded by people that manipulated you into thinking that you couldn't do it. Maybe they even told you that you couldn't do something. Maybe the dream that you were trying to go after was never achieved before by anyone in your family, by anyone in your circle of friends. But that doesn't mean that you cannot achieve what you want to do. Maybe you thought that you didn't fit the image for whatever it is, whatever role, whatever job that you wanted. And Spirit is here to say that your face will be the face that fits whatever it is that you want to do. You are here to change how people view certain industries. Just because it hasn't been done before does not mean that you cannot implement that change. You are a trendsetter, you are a leader, you are an innovator. I'm sure when you think about people like Einstein, all the amazing scientists, all the amazing athletes, right? At one point in time, they may have felt like their dream was too big when they looked around at their surroundings, when people didn't believe in them. And that's why Spirit is calling for you to believe in you. Because in one point in time, all those greats that you look up to had a doubt, but their faith was bigger. And Spirit is asking you to have faith. Keep your faith bigger than your doubts. You are the full package. Just because it didn't work out with my man or my girl doesn't mean that you won't get that relationship that you so desire, that you so deserve. Did it occur to you, right? Has it, I should say, ever occurred to you that maybe it didn't work out with that person because that person wasn't a match for you? For some of you, if you went ahead and dated that person, they possibly would have made your life a living nightmare. Or for some of you, they possibly would not give you what you wanted out of a relationship. And yes, it must have been painful to not gain what you wanted. But for some of you, yeah, they want a match. But Spirit wants you to start looking at yourself the way other people see you. People see you as someone that is triumphant, successful, or someone that's going to be successful in this life. You have success radiating out of you. Okay? You are the type of person that when you walk into a room, all heads turn. You have natural star quality. You cannot teach that. You have that it factor. Even if you're dressed down, people can sense that they are in the presence of a star. And you have the potential to be a superstar. You are magnetic, very likable. People in high positions always want to help you because they see and feel that you are trustworthy and that you will do a good job in whatever it is that you do. So we need you to stop doubting yourself and start believing yourself, because you are literally the full package. Mercury in retrograde. You're intelligent, stunningly beautiful. You have impeccable manners. You have an easygoing, laid back, relatable personality. What more can someone ask for? You have been through a lot. I get it. But you're coming out of this period. You have been stuck thinking to yourself that this was it for you, whatever that is, it is. You may do with your lot. Maybe hanging out with certain friends that did not deserve any access to your energy. But because you were at a low spot, you were susceptible to inviting certain energies towards you. You believe that you didn't deserve the best. Many people may have treated you less than you deserve to be treated. But guess what? They saw the star within you, but they just didn't want you to see it. You lacked love within yourself. You accepted less than you deserved. You didn't see the beauty within you and outwardly. And you didn't move forward with your life in the way that you should have, because you were surrounded by people that were scared of your growth. These could be family members for some of you, no shade. They knew that you had skills and talents that would take you to the very top, but they were trying to hold you back. And it was toxic, but you freed yourself from this mental entrapment. And with you, you don't take any shortcuts. Whatever you do, you put 100% into it. You didn't allow your home life, your work life, your college life to deter you. And it could have made you very, very unbalanced. And you decided to safeguard your energy, realizing that not any and everyone deserves access to your energy, even if they try to invest into you. You looked at the pros and cons. You're starting to look at the pros and cons in regards to your friendships, in regards to who you're dating, because you know that you don't deserve nothing less but the best. You're beautiful, you're charismatic, you're magnetic, you're original, you're a whole vibe, you're intelligent, you have a mind like a mathematician, a scientist. You're a whole magical person, just literally existing. Some may say you have an otherworldly appeal. You radiate an energy that is unknown to many. An energy that many people feel deserves to be in the spotlight. And guess what? You are destined to be in the spotlight. You're the whole package. Everyone wants access to you, but not everyone deserves access to your energy. It's not about you being conceited. It's about being mindful and having discernment. Many people want to date you and have a family with you. They see you as the ideal spouse, the ideal friend. Some of your friends fall in love with you, and that's why you've learnt to have discernment. It's not your fault you're a hottie. And now that you're learning to love yourself, you're opening up to what you always desired. You feel more worthy of what you always desired, and Spirit is going to give that to you because you're pouring love into yourself, and you have met your match, or you will meet your match. And whoever you are with, or whoever you will be with, they see you as a full package. Looks, brains, everything. You're like a friend even when you are in a relationship with someone. You're nurturing, you're compassionate, you're kind, you're empathetic, you're funny, you're bubbly, you're original, you're courageous, you're intelligent, you're smart, you have self-respect. What more can anyone ask for? And for some of you, you're an amazing parent. And for some of you, if you're not a parent, you are an unstoppable worker. So, of course, you're the full package. You know, at work, people can see that you're destined to be a leader, be a manager, be a boss, be a CEO, run your own business for some of you. Your work ethic is unmatched. Some of you are stay-at-home parents, and the way you run your family like it's an operation, it's just brilliant. Brilliant. And people respect you. People are in admiration because they think, wow, I don't think I can have the capacity to do what he does, to do what she does. bills are paid on time, kids are at school on time, you know, you take them to the activities, you and your spouse, or if you're a single parent, you just run that home like it's a business. And you're attentive, compassionate, helping with homework, making sure your children eat the right things, taking them to practice. Listen, you're the full package, right? I don't want to hear nothing. You got what it takes to get to the top. You are magnificent. You are beyond talented. You are the future of whatever industry you are in, regardless if you look like the people that used to be in leadership positions. You are the new leader. You're here to make a change. You're the full package. I don't want to hear anything. Go out there and shine your light into the world.